Okay, hi everybody. I'm making this response to our trivia to let everybody know who won, and I guess it's pretty obvious that the only person who entered was our dear friend Miss Stacy, and thank you so much, Stacy. Everybody else should have tried, but Stacy did get, there were 20 points altogether, and Stacy got 18 of them right, so she knows the Wacky family pretty well. The only two that she missed was what kind of factory Solomon works in, and Stacy, just so you know, the answer is he makes doors. And the other one that she missed was kind of like a half a point, I guess, on the question of what are the other children's names, and she couldn't remember my daughter's name, but she got my son's name right. So the answer is Beth Ann. So my other children's names are Beth Ann and Aaron, and she got Aaron's name right. Everything else she got right, including the bonus 4 facts about our family. So Stacy, here's to you. Mwah! Thank you for playing. Thank you for doing such a good job and being such a great friend. And we will be getting together your package to put in the mail along with one of TJ's bracelets, and we'll be sending that off to you. I hope everybody else paid attention and learned from Stacy's answers, and we will play some other games sometime soon, but I also am going to make another vlog in a little bit and give everybody an update about how things went yesterday and whatnot. So I will be talking to you soon. Thanks again, Stacy. Bye, everybody.